What's up, guys? This is ReaperDigital, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix connection problems with Xbox Live Network and Microsoft games on PC, and to enable the Teredo Tunneling Interface. But first thing you're going to want to do is go down here, type in CMD for command prompt, run as administrator, and then type this in to the command prompt and just hit enter, and it should say OK. I will post the thing you got to type in the description of the YouTube video, so you can just copy and paste it right in. Control C to copy whatever you highlight, and then Control V to paste it right in again as well. But yeah, and now to see that it's working properly, you type in Xbox networking, and you will do a test here. And normally without that enabled, it would show like unqualified, or it would disconnect, or it wouldn't connect at all. But I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.